Hello everyone, my name is Hilda and welcome back to my channel for day 14 of Vlogmas. And let's see what we get for day 14 of Vlogmas. If I ever get into day 14 at least. I hope this is not another day where I need my scalpel to pry it open. But I'm thinking it is. Trusty, trusty scalpel. Probably best to not do that at home. And this is Red Robin and it is a standard red ink. We've not had a red yet. And it's already day 14. It's already over half. For the red edition of the Inkvent calendar, that is actually quite surprising. Let's first swatch Red Robin. I think like with all standard inks, and I'm going to see that here because I'm going to get some more water on the brush. I think like with all standard inks that we've had so far, you can go in either quite dark or very, very light depending on how much water you add. And this is just sort of a more orange toned red, I would say. I'm going to add some more undiluted ink to it and have it fan out a little. I'm thinking this will be just an okay red writing ink, and yeah, for painting it'll be fine as well. Yeah, I would use it for line art. Yeah, red inks, they're not high on my priority list, but I'm also not mad at it. I mean, I'm doing a monochrome red portrait in school this year, so I have use for it. And now for the Funko section of day 14. Let's see who we got. Hopefully not another Jack Skellington. We've had 4 so far. Enough is enough. I mean, I like Jack Skellington, obviously, a lot. But, I mean, some diversity would be good. Ah, this is Dr. Finkelstein. And he has his head open so you can see his brain. His big, big brain. Can you close it? No. Okay, so this is fun. I like him. It's not my favorite character, but the Funko is well done. Yeah, day 14 Funko. So, day 14. We got our first red ink in the Diamine Inkvent calendar, red edition. So, took them 14 days, that's over half. We got 2 pinks, which is, I suppose, in the red spectrum, but not the same, really. Yeah, it's just a nice red, isn't it? Like all the other standard inks we've got so far, you can go in super diluted and light and super dark. And yeah, it's varied like all the others. It's I would say a more vermilion, orangey based ink when you paint with it, and then more of an actual, see that I don't lose pages, an actual darker red when you go in real dark. It's a fun ink. If you're into reds, you might really love it. I mean, I have an upcoming monochrome red portrait coming up on school, so I'm glad I have it because it's a nice extra red to paint with for sure. And as it goes so varied and in values, yeah, that's what I was looking for. It's so varied in value by adding water. I mean, I will certainly get use of it. Would I buy the full size? No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't have enough use for an 80 milliliter. I mean, assuming that will be words. Assuming that it will be the same kind of bottle as Diamine released with the blue edition in 2019. But anyway, yeah. And then as for Dr. Finkelstein, he's not my favorite character, but I do like this rendition with his head slightly open and his brain peeking out, and then his wheelchair isn't mega detailed, but it's definitely detailed enough to make it out. But for sure, the detail went into the top of his head. But yeah, that said, he's not my favorite character, it's not my favorite Funko from the box, so I'm certainly not mad at today's advent calendar spoils, so to speak. I will definitely have use for the red ink. And Dr. Finkelstein is it Finkelstein or Finkelstein? Finkelstein, isn't it? It's quite amusing, so yeah, I'm totally alright with this. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what did you think of this? Or if you just want to leave a comment at random, go ahead, but please be kind. And subscribe if you want to stick around for more Vlogmas. We've still got quite a few days to go. We're on day 14 and we're going to day 25. So yeah, stick around if you want to see more from this channel. And I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 16. Bye!